How to get a ZELLE QR code from Bank of America. Follow these instructions. Open the Bank of America app and sign in with your username and password to access your account and services securely. Tap Pay and Transfer from the bottom menu to begin sending or requesting money using the ZELLE feature in your account. Select ZELLE from the payment options to access the section for sending or requesting money with phone or email or QR code. Go to the Request tab to view the tools for asking money from someone using your linked ZELLE details or QR code. Tap the small QR icon next to the search bar to bring up your unique ZELLE QR code quickly and securely. Your ZELLE QR code will appear on the screen under the My Code tab, ready to be used for fast money requests. You can now save the QR code to your phone or share it directly with others who want to send you money safely and easily. Thank you for watching.